What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, today we're reviewing the 2020 Cadillac CT4V. Alright guys, let's go over the front of the car. I personally love the front of the car. The CT4V is a little more my thing, believe it or not. I'm a big guy, yeah, I know, but I like a little bit smaller cars. I like the look of them, I love the feel of them. I love the feel that I'm in control of the car. Now Reggie, on the other hand, he thought this was the same exact car, but it is not. And the reason why is because we're talking two total different engines.
How about this? How about this? You know what? I'm cutting in. How about this? If you can prove to me that this is a different car, by the end of this thing, I have to accept a moderate challenge.
Deal. I mean, you're shaving your head. Either way, let's get into it, guys. All right, so what's the difference between the two cars? It's obviously, it's smaller engine, all right? That's the big thing here. CT5V is a V6 engine, twin turbo, versus this one is a 4-cylinder twin turbo. So there is a little bit smaller power, but at the same time, less power, but in a smaller car. So therefore your power to weight ratio, pretty good. Front of the car, the grille, I love the grille. The CT4 line, CT5 line, the CT line of Cadillac has the same grille across. Now, they have that big open mount that's on all the Cadillacs, and at the bottom they have some wind going through there. Nice grill at the bottom. But my problem with the car is these little side vents here. It looks like that's some performance vents, but believe it or not, it's just like little plastic lids. I kind of wish it would be some actual vents and go through the car itself. So we'll go over to the side of the car. We have these nice 18-inch Continental wheels. They have the nice grippy tires, which I personally love. When we're hitting around the corners, I felt like there was some hug there. I don't know, Reggie, did you feel it? Because I felt it in my tummy.
I didn't drive the car.
Well, when I turned, did you feel it?
Yeah, I felt the inertia of a car turning.
Oh gosh, whatever, guys. He's in his feelings right now.
In my feelings. I wasn't in my feelings. I just didn't. Man, you trying to tell me that?
Either way, guys, I felt my heart pump shifting around. It was nice and tight, and it has that nice compact power, keeping you very tight to the road, if you will. Personally, I love the side angle of this. It's nice and compact, very nice and sleek going around the body. Reggie, do you like that body?
I like the body.
All right, I'm telling you, it's a nice body. It's very compact, but where the money's at is the rear end, and we'll go over that. I think it's a beautiful thing. So we're in the rear end. I'm so close. I love the rear end of this car. I really do. I'm not just being a jokester like I always do. The rear end on this car is absolutely stunning. I love the looks of it. I love this nice tail light here. Very similar to the CT5V, but at the same time different. Okay, as you can see, it's a little shorter, comes around. I love the back end here, this trunk. It kind of like sloops around, giving it that almost hot hatchback look, but at the same time, it's a car. So as you know, CT4, right? And then over here, the most important part is that big expensive badge, the V badge. That's the most important thing. If you see V, you're gonna see performance. Now, another cool thing is these actual quad tips over here. These are actually functioning quad tip mufflers is what you would call them. So in America, we call these mufflers. In Britain, we call these mufflers.
In Haiti, we call them mufflers.
The mufflers. And then you want to sound cool, and a gearhead, you call it exhaust. But either way, guys, that's all pretty neat. It all looks nice and sporty, and that's the cool thing about this car.
All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the interior of this bad boy. It's time for my segment.
So, it's all right.
No, no, that was a joke. All right, so this guy's trying to change my mind and make me think this is not the exact vehicle we reviewed in our last video, and he's kind of doing that. This vehicle is different because it is compact, like he said before. Now, it's going to have the same features as far as navigation and heads-up display, but the main difference is how small and compact it is. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to fit back there comfortably for my ASMR segment. But looking in here, it looks very nice. It does look very sporty. One of the main things that look very intriguing to me is the seats and the stitching. This Canyon brown peanut butter, what would you call this? Peanut butter?
It's like a camel. Camel is what it's called.
Yeah, something like that. It looks like peanut butter a little bit, but that complements the black seats very well. Normally you see the peanut butter guts with a little bit of black, but I love how they went ahead and did this. All hand stitching in here, and the steering wheel is also stitched up as well, and it feels nice, it grips nice. You got the paddle shifters back here for zoom mode. If you don't know what zoom mode is, figure it out.
I don't think it has hand stitching. I'm sure a machine did it. That's right. Keep on moving.
I believe that beautiful hand stitchers stitched this car.
Okay.
With tears and blood. It looks beautiful, it looks nice, and it's very compact. Let's go check out the back seat. Hi, my name is Reggie, and it's time for ASMR with Reggie. Now, these leather seats do feel good, and there's a bit of a bucket seat in the back, which makes you feel secure. I didn't move the seats up here at all, so I wanted to show if there's enough space. Now, if you know, I can sit fairly comfortably, but if I was going on a long drive, I'd get really frustrated because I want my legs to stick out a little bit more. But it being compact, it does have a good amount of space. Back here, you just have that same stitching that looks amazing, but there's a brown and black threading on the seat itself, which looks amazing. I could probably fall asleep in this car on this drive, but it'd be kind of tough because I want to push my feet out. This has been ASMR with Reggie. I'm in love with you.
Did I prove to you that this car is different?
I have to accept defeat. Yeah. It's more compact, plus you save a lot of money, and the interior looks pretty dope.
It's pretty dope, right? So you lost the bet. You know the deal. So I ain't gonna do nothing crazy, but you gotta wear this thing.
The GoPro?
Yeah, the GoPro. We gotta show these people what it's like.
I'm not putting that on my head.
Bro,
It's
you
not
gotta
happening.
do it. It's
nope,
all right.
nope. Not doing it. I'm not.
All right, let's go for a drive.
I gotta wear a GoPro on my head.
You look good. You look good, bro. You should walk around with that more often. Get more views.
Heck no, I'm not gonna wear this on my head more
This would
often.
be a great vlogging gear. You don't need to look at me with that GoPro.
Oh no, you're gonna put a GoPro on my head? I'm gonna be like, my head is the camera now. My head gonna be on a swivel.
I don't know, look at the eyes or look at the lens. I don't know.
Just look at my lips.
Oh, even worse.
Alright, how's it feel? Let's see.
It's got some hug, man. It does. Watch this.
Whoa!
Dude, it's got
Woo!
That's turbo.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh!
This little thing's got some kick. I'm sorry. I know the CT4V is a bigger engine.
Yeah.
But because it's a bigger body, I just think the engine's too small for the sedan.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's still a great car. By no means am I knocking it. But this thing has this horsepower. I think it's probably got like 40 horsepower less than the CT4V.
I don't know
Maybe
nothing
45.
about none of that, but that was amazing.
Dude, you're talking about power to weight ratio. It's great.
Yeah.
This has got some
Power to weight,
punch.
power to weight ratio. I'm gonna mess with the mode since you put this GoPro on my head. Let's see here. We gotta get a good look. You guys see it? Can you see it?
Yeah, little modes, little buttons.
All right, let's see. Let's see what this does.
Because it's a turbo, it's got some boost. It delays, but then it punches.
All right, you ready?
And it freaking shoots you like a bat out of hell.
I'm going to sport mode.
Yeah.
That's snow and ice. Hold on.
I'm not in snow and ice. Track mode.
All right, we're in sport mode. You see that?
Yeah, I see you.
You see?
I see you.
Get buckled up, baby. Woohoo!
0 to 30. Here we go.
Ready?
1, 2.
Whoa! got a whole lot of it. It's got Hawaiian punch.
Got a little loud. It's not as loud as the 5.
Yeah.
CT4V had that nice crackle. And, you know, maybe we... It's just like...
Are you shifting?
No, it wasn't shifting. It was trying to downshift.
On its own? Just
On
like
its own.
this?
Yeah, because it's automatic, so...
Well, yeah, but normally in automatic cars, you don't really hear that. Whoa! Whoa!
It's got some power, bro. This thing is impressive. 180 on the dash. It's not going to do 180, guys, but it makes you feel like you're going to do 180. All right, guys, so we're going to wrap that video up here. I want to thank you guys so much. If you guys got this far, please like and subscribe, and I want to do a huge shout out to Sullivan Cadillac in Ocala, Florida for lending us this Cadillac CT4V. Reg, did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
So guys, please be safe. Hit that push bell notification so you guys are in the loop whenever we post new videos. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.